All right, the time at 5:08 now. A man scared for his life, or was he the aggressor? It's something a Jefferson Parish jury will have to decide.
This following hours of testimony in the trial of a New Orleans man accused of killing another outside a Metairie gas station in the days following Hurricane Ida. WDSU reporter Morgan Lentis has been covering this case since it started. She is live in Gretna at the courthouse with where everything stands right now. Morgan.
Travers, today's testimony focused on Walter Scipio in his own words. We listened to a lengthy police interview, which one legal analyst tells me could leave a lasting impression on the jury.
My instinct is to always say no statements to the police.
But in this case, that's not what Walter Scipio did. On Tuesday, jurors watched an hours-long portion of his interview with homicide detectives recorded the same night he turned himself in. In it, Scipio changes his story on a number of topics, from how much distance was between him and the victim, Dwayne Nosaka, as they argued, to whether he was armed with a gun when that argument started or if he retrieved one from his car.
When they are misleading in their statement about anything, even if it's about their grandmother's birthday 4 months before the alleged crime occurred, the juries usually punish them for that because they feel like, we can't trust him.
But there were consistencies in Scipio's story. He never denied fatally shooting Nosaka, and he repeatedly says he fired because he was scared. Ultimately, it will be up to the jury to judge his credibility. All attorneys can do is drive home their case in closing arguments.
The jurors are instructed that everything the attorneys say in closing argument is mere argument. It's not evidence and it's not fact. But when you have a very skilled orator doing closing arguments, that person is able to shade the facts and sway the jury one last time.
And this trial has concluded for the day. Closing arguments will begin tomorrow morning at 8:30 a.m. Reporting live in Gretna, Morgan Lentis, WDSU News.